In this video, we are going to solve the problems from assignment 7.2. First question: in the following figures, the values of x and y. You have to find the values of x and y. You have to find the values of x and y of this figure. In this figure, you can notice that this angle and this angle form a linear pair. So x plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree by linear pair. So x equal to 180 minus 80, that is equal to 100 degree. Angle x, the value of this x is 100 degree. Okay. So now how can you get this value, angle y? How can you get this value? You know that the exterior angle, the sum of the exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. So y plus 80 degree equal to 120 degree. Because this is the exterior angle, this is the opposite two interior angles. So y plus 80 equal to 120 by exterior angle property. By exterior angle property. In your previous class, you have learned the exterior angle property of triangle. So y equal to 120 minus 80, that is 40 degree. So the value of x is 100 degree, value of y is 40 degree. 100 degree and 40 degree. This is the correct option. Next, question number 2. In the adjoining figure, the bases of some of the angles are indicated, the values of x and y. The values of x and y. How can you get the value? How can you get the value? So in this triangle, these and these are the exterior angle. These and these are the exterior angle. So the value of y and 70 degree, these two angles form a linear pair. So y plus 70 equal to 180 degree, y equal to 180 minus 70 degree, so that is equal to 110 degree. Okay, that is equal to 110 degree. And this is also an interior angle, angle x. So x equal to this exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. So this in this exterior angle, two opposite interior angles are this and this. So x equal to 40 degree plus y, that is 40 degree plus 110 degree. So this is 150 degree. The value of x 150, y 110. 150 and 110, this will be the correct option. Next, question number 2. In the figure given at right, two of the angles are indicated. What are the measure of ACX and ACB? ACX and ACB. You know that this is the exterior angle. So ACX equal to ABC plus CAB by exterior angle property. By exterior angle property. So 50 plus 55. This is equal to 105 degree. So this value, so ACX and ACB form a linear pair. ACB plus ACX form a linear pair. So the sum of these two angles is 180. So ACB equal to 180 minus 105. So this is equal to 75 degree. Okay. This is very easy. Angle ACX 105, angle ACB 75 degree. Next, question number 3. In the figure given below, find angle ABD, also find ABC if C equal to 3 into angle ABC. First of all, you have to find angle ABD. You can see here that CAB, ABD, this angle you have to find here. So we can find, first of all, we can find this angle BAD and angle BAC form a linear pair. So angle BAD plus angle BAC equal to 180 degree. So angle BAC, the value of angle BAC is given. So angle BAD equal to 180 minus 100 degree. So this value is 80 degree. So how can you find the value of ABD? In triangle ABD, the sum of three angles is 180 degree. So angle ABD equal to 180 minus 80 plus 70. So that is equal to 180 minus 150 degree. So that is equal to 30 degree. ABD is 30 degree. You have to also find angle C equal to 3 times angle ABC. Angle C equal to 3 times angle ABC. In triangle ABC, we can write angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC equal to 180. Angle ABC, you have to find the value of angle ABC. Angle ACB, angle C equal to 3 times angle ABC. Angle BAC 100 degree. 180 degree. So 1 time angle ABC plus 3 time angle ABC. This value equal to 4 time angle ABC, 4 times angle ABC. So 180 minus 100 degree, this value will be 80 degree. So angle ABC equal to 180 degree divided by 4, because if you shift 4 from left to right, this 4 will be divided 80 by 4. So this will be 20 degree. ABC 20 degree. So ABC equal to 20 degree and ABD equal to 30 degree. Next, question number 4 in the figure given at right, find ACD and AED. ACD. This is very easy. I am not doing this question, but I will just help you. Angle ACD, this is the exterior angle of angle ABC. So ACD equal to BAC plus ABC. Then you can get the value of angle ACD and angle AED. Angle AED, how can you get? If you can get this value, then if you subtract the sum of this and this from this 180 degree, then you can get this value, and the sum of these two angles is, okay, ACD equal to 40 plus 15, that is equal to 55 degree. So in triangle ECD, angle CED equal to 180 minus 55 plus 52. 107 degree, this is 73 degree. This is 73. So the value of AED equal to AED and CED form a linear pair. So the AED equal to 180 minus 73, that is equal to 107 degree. Okay. Next, question number 5. I am not telling you. You will solve this by yourself. Next, question number 6. In a triangle, an exterior angle at a vertex is 95 degree. Its one of the interior opposite angle 55 degree. Find all the angles of the triangle. In a triangle, an exterior angle at a vertex. Suppose the triangle is ABC, exterior angle ACD. Exterior angle is 95 degree. Its one of the interior opposite angle 55 degree. Find all the angles of the triangle. So, angle CAB plus angle ABC equal to angle ACD by the exterior angle property. By the exterior angle property. So, angle BAC equal to 95 minus 55. 40 degree. This is 40 degree. So, angle ACB equal to, in this triangle ABC, the sum of three angles is 180 degree. So, if you subtract the sum of this and this angle from 180 degree, you can get this value. (180 minus 95 degree). 85 degree. Angle ACB is 85 5 degree. Next, question number 7. One of the exterior angles of a triangle 80 degree, the interior opposite angle are in the ratio. So, I am not doing this question. I am just tell you this question, how can you solve this. First of all, you have to assume that let the interior opposite angles are 5x and 3x. So, 5x plus 3x equal to 80 degree. There you can find the value of x. So 5x plus 3x equal to 80 degree. So that is x equal to 5x plus 3x equal to 80 degree by the exterior angle property. So 8x equal to 80 degree. So the value of x equal to 10 degree. So the angles 50 degree, 30 degrees, and the another angle 180 minus 50 plus 30, that is 180 minus 80, that is 100 degree. Okay, so you will solve this question by yourself. So I am solving some questions from assignment 7.2, but I have left some question for you. So you have to solve all the questions from this assignment. And if you have faced any problem, if you will face any problem to solve any questions from this assignment, you can ask me.